Hello, friends. Welcome to AQYS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss about new advanced oxidation technology, TADOX. So, this is a water treatment technology. So now wastewater can be treated at lower cost. So this TEDx word, it is very important because UPSC likes to ask questions on these kinds of peculiar terms. So TEDx itself, this word is very important. So just remember TEDx. Now this technology, it has been developed by TERI, the Energy and Research Institute. Now just know a few facts about TERI. First, it is a non-profit organization. Second, it conducts research in the field of energy, environment, and in the field of sustainable development. Now, this technology, it involves UV photocatalysis. Now, what is this UV photocatalysis? It means under this technology, light energy is used in order to trigger the chemical reaction. Okay, so you have to understand that it involves UV photocatalysis. So under this technology, light energy is used to trigger the chemical reaction. This is very important point. Now this technology, let me tell you the main feature, the most prominent feature of this technology, that it can treat even highly polluting water, and that too at lower cost. See, we have been using technology like RO system and biological treatment plants. We have been using a tertiary treatment system. So we are heavily dependent upon these systems. So with the emergence of this technology, it will reduce the dependence on other systems, other wastewater treatment systems. Now from the prelims perspective, just remember the word TADOX, and it is related to treatment of wastewater. Okay, and second, remember about UV photocat and second, remember about photocatalysis, that light energy is used in order to trigger the chemical reaction. Now recently Hyderabad has been certified as water plus city. So with the emergence of these kinds of technologies, these technologies which are very efficient, very effective, now you can treat even highly polluting water. So with these kinds of technologies, we might see more cities getting these tags. Okay, so from the prelims perspective, let me just repeat one more time, this word is very important. Okay, and I have provided the notes as well regarding this news. Okay, and you can download these notes, you can include these points in your notes. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Thank you very much.